your Windows 10 PC is running slow or lagging, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you some quick and easy fixes to speed up your computer. Now let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many issues. If you haven't already, go ahead and restart your computer. To do that, right-click on the Start button and click on Shutdown or Sign Out and hit on Restart. Once your computer is back on, the next step is to check for updates. Outdated software can slow down your PC. Click on the Start menu to go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for updates. If there are any updates available, install them. Now, resetting your network can also help you fix the lag. So go to Settings, tap on Network and Internet, scroll down and find Advanced Network Settings. Here, scroll down and find Network Reset and click on Reset Now. And there you have it. These quick fixes should help speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us like, share and subscribe to our channel.